Hello everyone and welcome to my corner of the world. Today is July the 1st, 2022 and it's the start of Stampin' Up Celebration. So Celebration is an opportunity to have free product when you place qualifying orders through me. These are exclusive items. You can't buy them, then won't be available in the catalogue. They're only available during July and August by placing a qualifying order. So what is a qualifying order, I hear you ask? Well, if you place an product order for $50, that would be a qualifying order for some of these products. And there's also some that are available if you place an order in excess of $100. So let me introduce you to some, I don't have all of them, but some of the goodies that are available during Celebration for the next couple of months. So the first one is Hippest Hippos. So here is the stamp set. It's got these delightful little creatures with some great greetings, and I have a little card that I've just pulled together using that stamp set, which is really delightful. I think it would make a great card for a child. Now that's available if you place a $50 order. If you place a further $50 order, you will qualify to choose the coordinating dies that you can cut out. And there's a cute little umbrella in there. So there's a couple of the items. The next is this fantastic designer series paper or decorative paper. I just love it. When I look through it, it reminds me very much of sort of like a seasonal theme. So we've got flowers here, which is kind of sort of summery, spring and summery. We've got acorns, which remind me a bit of autumn. If you're not necessarily into the flowers, then on the back side of this one, you've got a check. And then we've got sort of another spring type on the back of this. This one is very summery. It reminds me of bluebirds. And then on the back, we've got sort of a smooshed bluey-greeny effect. Then we have this one, which is little houses, which kind of stumped me at first, but I looked for inspiration on the internet and I came across this idea where I used a die to cut the little house out and just layered it onto some card and created this little design. And this could be a welcome to your new home card. That's what struck me, and that's why I added just a note, and then inside I would write to welcome you to your new home. And then we've got sort of mushrooms and butterflies, which again reminds me of maybe spring into summer. And then finally this one, which reminds me of poinsettias, which sort of maybe for Christmas cards or winter. So that is another one that is available if you place a $50 product order. Then there's some cards and envelopes. I don't have that one to share with you yet. And then we have this stylish sketches, which we have a fox, which I think can make a great guy card. These little ducks, I'm going to have to use those ducks somehow. And then looking at this one, I think we've got figs going on there, which I think could also make a nice focal point for a card. So that's another $50 set. Next is this 6x6 paper, and it is a mixture of gold and silver, and we've got stripes and spots. And I see this maybe for a birthday card, but I really see this maybe for Christmas. I think I can get some lovely Christmas cards. There's 24 sheets. There's 12 gold, 12 silver, and then the six each with stripes and 6 each with dots. So that's another $50 choice that you can make. Now this one for amazing phrasing, it's not one I yet have, but maybe soon I will get that one. Then another one that I don't currently have are these tree lot dies. Now this coordinates with one of the stamp sets that's coming in the Holiday Mini that also launches today, and I'll be sharing some of that with you, some of those with you shortly. So this is a set of dies with like caravans and trees. There's a little dog, there's a wreath. It's just a super duper set of dies. Then next I do have this one, which is the Wonderful World stamp set. And I think these are like cornflowers and ranunculus. I think this is like an iris, but it's got flowers. And those of you who know me know I just love my flowers. It also has, as part of the set, is this gorgeous decorative paper. I am not sure I'm going to be able to bring myself to cut it, but I'm going to be big, strong and brave, and I'm going to have to work my way through these because these are just absolutely stunning. The color combinations are, well, they just blow my mind away, and I am just so looking forward to using these in some way. And if you're not much into flowers, then on the back we've got sort of leaves and stripes and other organic images in more of a monochrome. So that is another of our freebies if you place a $100 order. And then if you are a party host, if you have a party through me, or if you decide to go ahead and place an order where you qualify for host rewards, then you can choose this stamp set, which is Perfect Pomegranate, and this will be a freebie. And I can see maybe using this as an unusual maybe Christmas card, because pomegranates are associated with Christmas, or certainly with me they are, because you only usually see them in the stores around Christmas time. But I think that, again, this might make an unusual Christmas card. And then the last thing I'm going to share with you is the joining offer if you decide to go ahead and join my Stampin' Up team. And Stampin' Up always offer a joining gift during Sale-a-Bration. And this year it is a planner. Now, who doesn't love a planner? This is gorgeous. It's got the Stampin' Up, I'm not quite sure whether to call it. It's not really a logo, but they use these flowers in this design in lots and lots of their sort of corporate images, and I just love it. A little magnet there to hold it all together, and then inside you've got your tabs for each month, and because they're numbered, it doesn't matter whether you speak English or French or any of the other languages that Stampin' Up works in. This is gonna work for you. It has, I'm just pulling over all the inserts. So it has this set of inserts that have things like we've got. I set up one of the tabs. So you've got your monthly focus where you could go ahead and do some planning, and then you've got like a month to a view here, and then you've got your weekly priorities, and then we've got the so you can set by day your weekly goals. And then we've got some blank sheets that we can write other sorts of notes on. And then I'm thinking maybe I could use this as a to-do list. It's got lots of nice lines on it that I could use as a to-do. So the rings on this are quite small. So you can see how much of the insert there is. This wasn't designed to put all the inserts in at once. If you have a little look, the tabs are color coded. So they're like in quarter year chunks. So I'm thinking that the idea was that you would just have it set up for a quarter of a year. So you're not lugging around a great big planner, that it's sort of more manageable. Okay, now it also got these lovely stickers, so you can personalize your pages. Things like if you run classes or have events, little tags that say tomorrow, love today, inspirational. So one here says but coffee first. So lots of little inspirational stickers that you can personalize your planner with. Now, it also, part of the gift is this stamp set, where you can again use these to mark up your pages. There's the Stampin' Up copyright there, wish list, thank you. So that also is part of the gift. And then these 3 little notebooks. So they're a good size. You can carry around in your handbag to write jot notes. So we've got one. This one has lines on it. Let's see. This one is blank. And then this third one is kind of, well, it's like a dotty grid. But again, if you're perhaps doing some design work on it, that dotty grid is going to be very useful. Right, so here, as I say, here is the gift. It's absolutely fantastic. As I say, it's a gift if you decide to join my team. If you look below this video, you will see a link that will take you to my blog, which will have a link to the information on what it is, how it is to join. Just to give you a quick idea, you can choose $125 worth of Stampin' Up product for $99, which is the best, it was a super deal. And you don't have to run classes or anything like that. You can join as a hobbyist to get your discount. So even if you're not into card crafting or running a business or anything like that, you could still have this. It would be great for teachers to organize them, busy mums, anybody who loves to plan. This would make a great gift for. So if you decided to join, you'd get your free gift. You could either use it for yourself, or you could give it as a gift. Well, I hope this has been a useful video to you. Certainly to see what you can get for free during Sale-a-Bration. As I say, please go ahead and click on the link below the video to get more information. I would love to welcome you onto my team. And thank you for joining me today. I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.